Hey guys, welcome back to my first Dollar Tree haul of 2023. I wish I could say I bought these things in 2023, but majority of these things I bought in 2022 and I've had them just sitting around waiting to film this haul. I have not been able to sit down and film a haul for you guys in quite some time. I am so excited to share with you some of the really cute stuff that I have found because I go to so many different Dollar Tree locations and people always ask me, how do you find stuff? It's just because I have so many Dollar Trees where I live and I rotate the ones that I go to, and that is how I find a lot of stuff. It's just by going to different locations. How stinking cute this flower clip is in my hair. I am obsessed, and it actually can hold all of my hair. It's so crazy. You would like not think, but I love it. So I have a huge bag here of $1.25 goodies. You guys know we had the price increase. That was actually last year, like at the beginning of 2021 when they increased the price. And honestly, like I feel like there wasn't that much like new, especially in the beauty section. I've talked about this. Like I feel like there wasn't that much new name brand beauty stuff this past year. I feel like I found more stuff in 2021 and 2020. So jury's still out if the price increase really did much. I feel like hopefully this year they will get more inventory in because I was a little bit disappointed. It seems like things are picking up a bit though based on what I've been finding over the past like 2 months. So enough rambling, let's get into my Dollar Tree haul. If you love this content, don't forget to subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell because I always upload Dollar Tree content, and also follow me on my Instagram at Dollar Tree Dolly. We just hit 130,000 followers on there, which is so exciting. So let's check out the haul. I have this lip gloss here, and then I realized I think I already have this. It's the Remy Rose Glitter Gloss in Tammy, and then I was like, I think I own this. But whenever that happens, because it does happen more often than you guys think, where I buy something and I'm like, oh wait, I already have that. So I just end up putting it in a giveaway, and usually my giveaways are on my Instagram, so make sure you guys are following me there. I do them pretty frequently. I have, and this is the one that I bought, so I'm just gonna put this one in a giveaway. Guys, I found so many t-shirts and tank tops that are name brand at Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, it's kind of crazy. So let me show you what I found because this is so exciting. So I am obsessed with this brand, Comfort Colors. I have 2 of their t-shirts that I got in like an XXL from Dollar Tree, and I wear them to bed all the time. I even wore one to the gym one day and just like tucked it in my sports bra, and it actually looked really cute because I had like workout shorts on. So I found the long sleeve version and I snatched these babies up, and these actually are a good size. They're a medium. I believe this is women's. And these are so soft and comfortable. You guys, if you find Comfort Colors at your Dollar Tree, definitely pick it up because it's a really good brand. So my eyes light up when I see these, and they're 100% cotton, which is something to look for. More cheaper fabrics will be like a polyester or a polyester blend, and you can like sweat in those really easily, whereas cotton is a lot more breathable. So anytime you see something that says 100% cotton, I'm sure a lot of you guys know this, but that is a more superior fabric. Definitely grab these. I don't know how much these like normally go for, maybe like 10 or 15. It's just like a plain long sleeve. There's like a little tiny slit at the bottom, ring neck I guess you would call it, and I'm gonna be wearing this to bed probably tonight, and I'll be just wearing it around the house. And then I also found another one, same size medium, Comfort Colors. Here's the tag so you guys know what to look for. And this is just like a magenta color. I stinking love these. And this color is really pretty. Oh, they're just so nice. They're like kind of oversized and comfy. These are like the perfect PJs for me. A tank top. I have this in white, so I found it in gray. This is a little gray tank top from, again, Comfort Colors. I also found Simply Southern at my Dollar Tree, which is kind of similar to Comfort Colors. So a lot of people use these for like printing, like when they're printing t-shirts, you'll see this brand a lot because it is really like thick and good quality. So this again is more like just a summer kind of thing for me, where I'll just wear this around the house in the summer. It's just like easy and light and breathable. And you could also wear this with leggings too because it is pretty long if you're more short. On me, it'll probably be shorter. Really, really nice. I have seen these like quite a few times at Dollar Tree, so definitely go to where the t-shirts are. Sometimes they're in different sections of the store. You will usually see like a pile of them and they're usually on the bottom rack. Look through everything because that's a lot of times how I find stuff. You have to sort through, and a lot of people just don't want to, but when you're searching is when you can find stuff. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it's Comfort Colors. So another brand that has been at Dollar Tree for like the past year and a half has been American Apparel, and this is actually for Nick. I got him this tank top. It's an XL for summertime. Really cute, like seafoam green color, so soft. I believe this is a blend, like a cotton poly blend. Yeah, it's 50% polyester and 25% cotton and 25% rayon. Yeah, so he needs tank tops all the time in the summer. You know, obviously it gets hot. He will wear this and it's just so cute and really nice and so soft. There's actually another brand of t-shirts that I had found at Dollar Tree like a year ago, and it was called like Bay something, like Bay Harbor. Okay, and I loved this t-shirt, and then I left it at my sister's house and I saw it there last time I went, and I was like, this is my t-shirt. And my sister's like, well, bad news, you can't have it back because I'm obsessed with it and I wear it all the time. And I was like, oh my gosh, I should have got like 2 of them, because of course now I can't find them. My chair like keeps leaning back. It's so awkward. Okay, item is for Oliver and Gizmo. I picked up their really cute pet bowl placemat. I got this like green blue color because they're boys. They have a water fountain, which by the way, I highly recommend getting a water fountain for your cats because it makes them drink more water than a regular water bowl. It's something about how they feel like they're in the wild, like you're like drinking from a stream. It's crazy, but cats are crazy. So they make such a mess at this water fountain, and I was like, I need something to put down because they spill the water, they're very messy with it. They're a little messy in general, my little angels. So I was like, let me pick this up. It's actually really nice. It's not too thin and it's soft. So I have been literally like holding on to this for months now because I told you guys I've had this stuff. So I'm so excited to finally put this down on their little water drinking area, which you guys might hear sometimes because it's over there in the corner. It's like tropical vibes by their drinking fountain. So this is great if you have somewhere with water for your cats. Pick this up. They also have one in pink if you have a girl cat. Not me just sitting here talking and realizing my camera was not even recording. That was so bad. Couple things here from Ioni, and I feel like Ioni's strength is definitely like their lashes, and then they branched out into makeup, which I do like a lot of their makeup. Some of it's a miss, some of it's good. Let me know if you guys agree. Like, what is your favorite Ioni makeup product? And I'm kind of like really over their display that they have at the store because it's like every single month or every 2 months they get a new display of products, and it's the same exact makeup products except they just change the packaging to something else. And their packaging is so cute. Like, I love it. But I'm like, can we get some new products? Some different innovations? Like, give us something. Like, at least with Be Pure, like, they come out with new stuff. Like, no one wants to keep seeing the same things over and over again. I don't know if Ioni's watching this, but if you are, give us something else, please. Up this blush, and this is in Danua. And 2 or 3 blush colors, they just change the name according to what the collection packaging is. So I didn't think I had this one. It was like a really pretty peachy color, so I was like, I'm gonna try that out. I have a pink one from them that looks so much like that Dior blush. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, and then I picked up this honey scented lip scrub. I am a sucker for lip scrubs. I have like 20 of them. I love exfoliating my lips. And I like that this is in a squeeze tube because most lip scrubs are in like the little pot and you have to like dig your finger in and then you have to go wipe your finger off, and it's like an extra step that no one ever wants to do. So I was like, if I can save a step by just doing this little squeezy tube, then I will do it. Lips hydrated and bright while repairing for healthy, plump lips. And this has coconut oil and vitamin E in it as well, which I thought was great. We love having like added benefit ingredients. And then I also picked up this liquid felt tip eyeliner, and I definitely prefer a brush tip, but I figure since I haven't tried this yet, I can use it in my next Dollar Tree makeup tutorial and see how it is. So it says it's waterproof and smudge free. I also got these lashes from LA Flare, which I hadn't seen this brand there before, but these looked really nice. They are 100% handmade, luxurious, and soft. And I just love testing out new lashes. I'm wearing some lashes on the outer corner today, and I just think they look so pretty. But we will give these a try. And it's nice to kind of branch out in my tutorials from just using Ioni. So that's why I did pick these up, just because I wanted to like try something new. Random, but so cute. I figured I could use this for the new year. This adorable star pen, and there's like glitter in the star, and the pen itself is like this pink glitter. How stinking cute is that? So I had to get this. This is like literally me if I was a pen. It's so fun and girly. I found this Sally Hansen nail polish, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And I swear, I am like weak for nail polishes at Dollar Tree. That's like the only place you will catch me buying nail polishes. And I also bought a couple at the flea market over the summer. But this reminded me so much of the Hailey Bieber pearl nail trend that happened. It's literally like that exact look and color. So the color of this is called 008 Liquid Power if you guys want to look for it at your Dollar Tree. And a lot of times at Dollar Tree will have these like fishbowl looking things of nail polishes. So just dig in there because you can always find some pretty colors. So I figured I would try this out. It's definitely going to need like a lot of coats because it seems pretty sheer. Or what I might do is layer it over a white color so I can have like a nice base. And I do have to do my nails. They are not looking too great right now. They're chipping. I can't smell anything right now. I can't even smell nail polish. It's so sad. Or maybe it's a good thing because nail polish smells really strong. But this looks really cute. Oh, okay. I just put like a little coat of it on my nail just to see. It looks really nice, and it actually has a really pretty sparkle to it as well. So hopefully you guys can see. Then I got a book. I love getting books at Dollar Tree, and this is actually I really love also getting autobiographies there. They have so many good ones, and I've found so many over the past years. This is actually Diane von Furstenberg's autobiography. It's called A Life Unwrapped. So Diane von Furstenberg is a fashion designer, and a lot of you guys might know her from if you watch The City with Whitney Port, because Whitney interned at Diane von Furstenberg in like the first season. So it says she's one of the most controversial legends of New York fashion. She is an iconic designer. You guys might know she's famous for having a wrap dress. Her life, it's like basically her entire life, her childhood in Belgium, her rise in the 70s, humiliating failures, both professional and personal. And then there's like interviews, it says, with her family and friends and the designer herself. And I thought this was so cool. There's also like pictures and stuff in here. I just love a good autobiography. So I'm really curious to read this and see how it is. I definitely need to start picking up my reading this year. And that includes like my devotional readings, which I have an amazing devotional that I got at Dollar Tree, and I love it. So doing my devotionals, and then wanting to also read, like, start with one finance book, and then also this is just like a fun book. So that's kind of what I'm aiming for. If you've watched my haul videos, you know I have this love for Dollar Tree sunglasses because I am famous for losing sunglasses. I feel like all of us girls, we always end up losing our sunglasses, especially during the summertime, and Dollar Tree has so many cute ones. I feel like no one ever looks at the rack, but if you look, you can find really good ones. They stepped up their game over the past year, and I have like literally 15 pairs of Dollar Tree sunglasses, and it's okay if you lose them because they're only $1, $1.25, whatever. People get like up in arms when I say $1. I'm like, it's still $1, it just has an extra 25 cents on it. So I picked up this pair, and they're so cute because they have like a cat eye. Okay, wait. I'm sorry, like how cute, especially like if I'm wearing black, excuse me. These are the cutest. Like, come on. These look honestly like more designer. Or I can see these selling on Amazon for like $15 or something. I just love them. I think they're so fun. I feel like a movie director or something right now with my black mock neck and my cat eye shades. It's a look, it's a vibe. So definitely make sure you guys check out the sunglasses section. And also, these have ultraviolet protection, so they're safe when you're out in the sun. And let me tell you guys, like, these are intensely, like, they blocked out like all my ring lights, everything. Like, they're protective, which is amazing. So I love adding on to my collection. Okay, and the last item, I saved one of the best for last. This is my item that I went viral for on TikTok. I have over 3 million views on my TikTok of me finding this product at Dollar Tree. It is the Flesh-A-Color Starshine eyeshadow palette. So this was at Ulta. I think it was for $38. And it is in the shade Starshine. I even did some swatches on it as well. If you guys want to go follow me on TikTok, it's just my name, NUZZOLO. And I will be using this in my next Dollar Tree makeup tutorial. So let me open this up for you guys. I found a whole section of these. Like, they were like stacked. And I got so many crazy comments on the video. Someone was like, did you buy them all and not save any for anyone else? I was like, no, I just bought one. Like, people are so crazy. So here's what it looks like. Look how pretty the packaging is. It's giving me like Anastasia vibes. And this brand Flesh, while it is discontinued, it was owned and created by the people of Revlon. So that was like the parent brand. So it does say copyright 2018 on the back, and it is made in Italy. When you see something that's made in Italy, then that's good quality. That is good stuff. Italy and Germany is always good quality cosmetics. So here's the colors. I think they're really pretty. We have a lot of cool tones. We have like silvers, pewters, purples. How pretty. Like, I really like this eyeshadow palette. I'm a big purple fan. And a really nice mirror as well. So, heck yeah. This is an awesome find. I was so excited about it. And, I mean, 3 million views for this eyeshadow palette. Not too shabby, right, guys? That was like my most popular video I have ever uploaded on TikTok. Hopefully you guys can find this. Mine was kind of hidden in like where the bath stuff was, and it wasn't even like one of my larger Dollar Tree locations. It was like one of the smaller locations. So that's why I say you have to go to all them, because they all have different items. So that is going to do it for today's Dollar Tree haul. I already have stuff for my next haul pre-prepared for you guys. So again, make sure you're subscribed, turn on your notification bell, follow me on Instagram because I upload everything there first. Like, when I first find stuff, it goes on my Instagram, and then eventually I share my hauls on here. But you really want to follow me there because I upload there like 3 to 4 times a day. So thank you guys so much for watching this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below. What was your favorite find? Did you find anything cool over the past month at Dollar Tree? Let me know. Many more of these to come this year, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!